Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends shows that you'd likely enjoy, or how Amazon suggests products that you might want to buy? Well, the secret behind these seemingly magical predictions is the combined power of data science and machine learning. Data science is a field that involves extracting valuable insights from both structured and unstructured data. It's like a detective, digging through mountains of information to find the hidden gems. On the other hand, machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It's the jet engine that propels data science to new heights, enabling it to analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed. Data scientists are the maestros who orchestrate this symphony of data analysis. They use machine learning to sift through large volumes of data, making predictions and informing decision-making processes. It's like having a crystal ball that can predict the future, but one rooted in data and logic. In essence, data scientists use machine learning to solve real-world problems. Scene script. Consider a telecommunications company facing a high customer churn rate. How can data science and machine learning help? Picture this. A telecom company is grappling with a high churn rate, which is the percentage of customers who stop using their service within a given period. They're losing customers left and right, and it's hurting their bottom line. But instead of throwing their hands up in despair, they turn to data science and machine learning for a solution. First, they begin collecting relevant data. This includes customer behavior patterns, like how often customers use their service and how they use it. Billing information is also crucial, as it can reveal payment habits and whether a customer might be dissatisfied with the cost. They also gather data on customer complaints, which can highlight areas of service that need improvement. From this process, they amass a rich trove of data that's ready to be analyzed. But before they can dive into the analysis, the data needs to be cleaned and prepared. This is where data scientists come in, sifting through the data to remove any errors or inconsistencies and transforming it into a format that's suitable for analysis. This process is crucial, as it ensures the accuracy of the subsequent analysis and predictions. Once the data is clean and ready, it's time to put machine learning algorithms to work. These algorithms learn from the data, identifying patterns and relationships that would be near impossible for a human to detect. By applying these algorithms, the data scientists can predict which customers are likely to churn based on their behavior, billing information, and complaints. Armed with these predictions, the company can now take proactive steps to retain customers. They can target those identified as likely to churn with special offers and personalized services, making them feel valued and appreciated. This in turn can reduce the churn rate, helping the company retain more customers and improve their bottom line. By leveraging data science and machine learning, the company was able to predict customer churn and take proactive measures to retain customers. This is the power of data science and machine learning, turning a challenge into an opportunity, and using data-driven insights to make informed decisions and strategies. Data science and machine learning are powerful tools that can solve complex real-world problems. They do this by analyzing vast amounts of data, extracting meaningful patterns and using these insights to make informed decisions. This is the essence of a data scientist's role, and it's why their work is so integral to many industries today. From the case study we discussed, it's clear how machine learning is employed to predict customer churn. But that's just one application. Think about how your favorite streaming platform knows just what movie to suggest next, or how your telecom provider seems to offer the perfect plan tailored to your needs. That's data science at work. Industries from entertainment to telecommunications are leveraging the power of data science and machine learning. They're using it to improve customer experience, streamline operations, and make strategic decisions. And the potential applications are limitless. Next time you get a recommendation from Netflix or an offer from your telecom provider, remember the role of data science and machine learning behind the scenes. It's not magic, it's data science.